Hey everyone, so today in this video I will show you Xiaomi 6X battery and drain test. So let's see.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So my phone is fully drained, is have no battery, no power. You can see we can't start it. So I will charge it with the Xiaomi charger, that is 5 volt 2 ampere. This is not a fast charger, but this phone support fast charger. So what we will test with this one. This is just a battery review, not a gaming review or anything else. So let's see. This is a stopwatch and we begin, and it's 0%. So after 1 hour it's 73% charged, and 1.5 hour it's 96% charged, so it's not so bad. So 100% is charged at 1 hour 42 minutes. At 1:35 p.m. we will start our battery drain test and start a game. I'm playing PUBG. Just show you, I'm playing on the high definition. The third option is the high definition. We can't play on HDR on this phone. So I will play the single player mode. Yesterday also I played one match and it doesn't lag. So, but I will give you the gaming review later. I play the video little fast forward just to pass on the time. So actually the gameplay is mostly for half an hour nearby. So let's skip some part. Oh no. So he killed me. I killed 7 people, not so bad. So let's see what's the battery result now. So it's 2 p.m. 2.7 and 88%. So 12% is used. So next game we play. So we have to download 1600 MB. So we have to wait to play this game. I played all game in high definition, so you can see the actual battery drain result. So you can see the visual quality is high, the last one. Yeah, here. So this also I will show you on fast forward. But the gaming is really smooth. There is no lag in any game. I didn't face any lag. Now let's see the battery. So it's 3:18 p.m. and the battery is 58%. So now let's play Need for Speed No Limit. This is 1 GB game, so it took a long time to download it. So this is a tutorial. So this is my third game in this phone and it's really so smooth. So it's 3:26 p.m. near about 2 hours and we use half battery, is 55%. So again we will play pug. This time I'm playing 4-player mode. So I will skip the gameplay. I actually played few matches to see the result till 3 hours. I continuously play 3 hours today. So 353 and battery is 40% now. So the match is over. So it's 4:31 p.m. and the battery is only 20%. So I played this phone for 3 hours, near about 3 hours, and the battery drain is 80%. You can see mostly when we play PUG, the battery is a little bit heated. It's near about 41%. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.